everyone, welcome back to my channel Sunbird Tarot, where insights take flight. So today we are going to look into the reading of my dear Pisces, and it is in water element. So you can look into this reading either by your rising sign, as per your astrological chart, your moon sign, or your sun sign. Okay, so we are going to look in this reading that what are the predictions for my dear Pisceans in in the month of June. I think this one. And this one. Okay. So, what is your first card? We have discrimination. Okay, so many butterflies here. There is some transformation going on. Also, we have number 6. Number 6 also relates to love. Maybe some of you are going through some transformation. Yes. We have fan. See, we have romance, celebration, party. Okay. Horse, short journey. I see you traveling in this month, and it could be something related to some celebration or someone inviting you, for some of you it can also be something related to your love relationships. And it also reminds me somewhere of the card that we have in our traditional tarot deck. And but the difference is that there was a cliff, and we have a foundation here, we have earth here. So maybe something that you are going through, you are feeling careful about something. And also there are some changes that are happening in this thing. We have bouquet, compliments from an admirer. Okay, I definitely see someone inviting you to, to their home, or someone just you going out for a vacation. I see travel here. We have table, hard work ahead. Okay. We have flowers, happiness. Wow. And we have peacock, beware of great pride. Hmm. Okay. So what are they saying here? Okay. So I can see, my dear Pisceans, that in the month of June, you can expect some travel. You can expect some person coming in, some admirers of yours. Maybe it can be someone whom you haven't met already, or you are not known to each other. And also something related to you going on a journey where you feel like you have found something. And I'm also seeing, looking at, you have some hard work that you have done, and maybe it is the time that you are going to have the fruits of it in this month, because we have discrimination. Yes. Okay, let us look for further guidance, what the tarot has to say. What can my Pisces expect in the month of June? What can my Pisces expect in the month of June? Thank you. Okay, we have our cards. So it says the Hierophant. Tradition is important, but it doesn't have to be everything. Hmm. Okay, it is coming right below discrimination. Okay, I can see that this is something that you have done out of the way. Maybe it was not the traditional way of something, or it is not a traditional thing that you have done. Maybe you have thought out of the box, and you are being discriminated in a sense where now you are feeling like as if it is something that you had to do. We have King of Swords. We all we can all learn important things from one another. Okay. We have King of Cups. We have Two of Pentacles. It says secretly and silky. Okay. And we have Strength. and we have Eight of Pentacles. Okay. What can my Pisceans expect in the month of June? Spirit, please help me. See, first of all, I'm definitely picking up that there is some admirer of yours, or maybe someone you have not known, or someone maybe you have known, but just a glimpse of it, a glimpse of them. And I see them coming in with the pigeon here. I see messages coming in. I see someone coming with an offer, someone coming with flowers, or someone just coming with an offer to take you somewhere. For some of you, I'm also picking up this can be related to your work, where you previously might have felt that there was, some issues regarding the capabilities that you had, and someone was unable to uh, understand them. And also someone here coming across to offer you some prospect, maybe some lucrative one, because I see peacock here, and it represents abundance, it represents, good luck. And we have beware of great pride. So something related to the position that you are going to be offered, you don't have to be very proud about it. Maybe you have to be, but not in a negative way. Sorry for that. Also, I can see here we have the 8 number strength, and we have right below the 8 of pentacles. So something you have related, and I've also seen you know butterflies here. Butterflies are significators of transformation. 8 number, as per your astrological chart, is also the house of transformation. So I can see you are going through major transformation right now, my dear Pisceans, and something related to you is making you confused, or maybe have presently you in a state of confusion, where you are feeling that there is some grounding that needs to be done, there is some balance that needs to be found. And also, as I previously mentioned, that this is not like the traditional rider waite fool, but it is something similar to it. We have a whole land in front of her, and there we used to have a cliff. So also I'm seeing, I'm intuitively picking that there is something related to dogs. Maybe dogs, in a sense where, dog represents loyalty, dog represents sensitivity and possessiveness for the owner. Okay, so I'm picking up there is some person, there is some opportunity, or maybe there is some reconsideration in someone else for looking at your loyalty towards them, looking at your consistency and your efforts towards them. So maybe you are recognized of your efforts, and we also have compliment and happiness. So, and we also have hard work ahead. So maybe you are getting promotions in this month, because there are high possibilities. We have King of Swords here working, and we all learn important things from one another. So maybe there is some collaboration that you can expect, or maybe you can expect it to be handling a bunch of people and you being the head of it, because we have two kings here, the King of Swords and the King of Cups. So you being considerate, you being compassionate, also strict by King of Swords. We have practical boundaries and strategy, and at the same time you are helping them and understanding them. And if this is something related to you in your love sphere, so this is something that is going to bring you clarity on, what lies in front of you. Also, I can see there is some person that will be coming in. Maybe this is someone whom you haven't met yet, and also it can be someone whom you have a glimpse of, and maybe now they are coming in to offer you some proposal. Yes. So last but not the least, we have our divine oracle cards. Lord Shiva will help us to look into a guidance for my dear Pisces in their month of June 2025. Thank you. Feel this one. Yes, it says Adi Yogi, embarking on the path of yoga. Adi Yogi Shiva, the revered originator of yoga, beckons you to commence your journey into a practice of yoga, which holds the potential to enhance your physical, mental, and spiritual well being. Okay, so my dear Pisces, as you also are looking for, some grounding, you have certain confusions in your way as this card, and I can see major transformation going here. And by this guidance by Lord Shiva, I can see that he is asking you to meditate. He is asking you to connect with nature, and he's asking you to align your thoughts and your mind and your ideas, your desires, your everything into your consciousness, so that you can feel it all through within you, while at the same time you are able to recognize it, you are able to withhold it, and at the same time you will be given a clarity on the things that you are feeling confused about. So this is the guidance from Lord Shiva to my dear Pisces to practice yoga. For some of you, it can be the case, or to just, if you are not able to, just practice something, maybe you can just try to spare 5 minutes and do a meditation. That will do wonders for you, my dear Pisces. So this is where I exactly see you in your reading, and I hope it resonated with you. And if it does, please like, subscribe, and follow my channel, as I will be meeting you in your next reading. Till then, bye bye.